What's good, squad? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're cracking the code on how to retire in 10 years, starting with a grand total of $0. Sounds wild, right? It's honestly so simple, I could spill the tea in 15 minutes flat. Don't buy it? Stick around and see. But here's the real question. If it's that easy, why aren't we all sipping cocktails on a yacht by 30? Spoiler, most folks don't know where to start, or they flake out before the magic happens. Let's flip the script on the whole retire at 70 vibe. Break down how I became financially free in my 20s, and show you how to flex the same moves, even if your bank account's currently a ghost town. Oh, and hit that like button. It won't fund your retirement, but it keeps the YouTube gods happy and this channel alive. Let's roll. Step 1. It's not about what you make. It's what you keep. First hot tip. Retiring young isn't about how fat your paycheck is. It's about how much you don't blow. I know you're thinking, bruh, if I made 10 mil tomorrow, I'd be out. Fair. But hear me out. I've seen folks pulling $2 to $5K a year living like they're one missed rent check from eviction. Why? They're splashing it all on beachfront cribs, leased Ferraris, and Insta-worthy vacays. Meanwhile, someone banking $80,000 can outsave them by stashing half their cash. My secret? I lived like I was broke, no matter what. Made not a 1 month, cool, pulled 6 figures the next. Same vibe. I rocked $5 H&M's, snagged used cars that hold value, and bought a duplex. Lived in one half, rented the other to pay my bills. Home-cooked meals over restaurant tabs. And yeah, I grab free stocks with that public link below. Up to $1 grand. Fam, extreme, maybe. But if you want to retire fast, watch your spending, not just your income. Savings rate's the real MVP here. Save 50%, retire in 17 years. 70%, you're out in under 9. Math's simple. The more you save, the quicker you're free. Step 2. Slash your spending like a budget ninja. Next up, to turbocharge that retirement clock, you've got to cut costs like it's a Black Friday sale. Every 5% you save shaves years off your grind. No, I'm not saying go full extreme cheapskates. Selling your car to bike through storms ain't it. Start with housing. It's the cash-eating monster. Enter house hacking, snag a duplex or triplex. Live in one unit, rent out the rest. Done right, tenants cover your mortgage, and you're chilling for free. Need a down payment? Start small, save 10 to 20% over time. No cash yet? Try rent hacking, lease a spot, sublet rooms, and pocket the difference. Beyond that, drive a reliable used whip that won't tank in value. Use credit card hacks for cheap travel, cook at home, and wait for sales. My $5 shirt's been slaying for 5 years. Okay, it's crusty now, but no one clocks the price tag. Pro move, see something shiny. Wait a week. Most times, that must-have vibe fades, and your wallet stays fat. Step 3. Dodge debt like it's a toxic ex. Step 3. High-interest debt is your financial kryptonite. Credit cards, student loans, medical bills. If it's over 10%, it's a vampire sucking your dreams dry. You'd need 15 to 20% returns just to break even. Good luck with that. It drags you backward, fast. My rule, no credit card balances, no financing dumb stuff, and only low-rate debt, like a 3% mortgage on a rental that pulls 9%. Debt's cool if it makes you money. Otherwise, ghost it. Stay debt-free, and your savings can actually do their job. Step 4. Investing like you means it. Fourth, saving's the base, but investing's the rocket fuel. Don't overthink it. No need for our long stock commands. Keep it simple. Max out your 401k, Roth IRA, or HSA for tax perks. Toss a chunk of every paycheck into investments, rain or shine. Don't play the market timing game. And park it in low-fee index funds. Vanguard, Schwab, Fidelity got you. Then chill. Let time and compound interests work their magic. Starting at 0, you'll need to either earn big or spend tiny. Say you make $70,000 and live off $21,000, investing the rest at 8%. Boom. 10 years and you're set for life at that level. Side hustle or keep working if you want, but you won't have to. Step 5. Level up your income game. Last piece. If bare bones living ain't your vibe, and you want a comfy retirement, you gotta boost that income. Traditional 9 to 5 self-cap out. 24 hours ain't enough to grind past the ceiling. Pick a gig that pays for results, not hours. Me, I did real estate or only cashed out when a house sold. So I focused on quick flips for max profit. Same with YouTube. One video for 10 viewers or a million. Effort's the same, but the payout way different. Work smart, not harder. Millionaire Fastlane nailed it. Create, don't just consume. Make videos, sell teas, build something. Don't just scroll. Numbers time. Want to spend $50,000 a year by 30 starting at 20. You need $1.65 million invested. That's $93,000 a year at 8%. Earn $150,000. Live on $22,000. And you're golden. Or try real estate. $50,000 down on a $250,000 fixer-upper. Flip it to $300,000. Rent it out. Repeat every couple years. My buddy Mike hit $1 million by 25 doing this on an $80,000 job. Frugal AF and DIY skills. No big income. Learn a skill. Job hop or hustle on the side. Income's your speed. Spending's your compass. Elro, so there it is. Retire in 10 years. Starting from scratch. Live cheap, save hard, invest smart, dodge debt, and boost your cash flow. I pulled it off by keeping my H&M drip, jacking up my income past $100,000, and never upping my lifestyle till I was set. Not everyone's cup of tea, but for me, it's freedom. Work what I love, not what I have to. If this vibe hits, smash that like, share it with your crew, and join the squad. Subscribe to Education Leaves for more real talk like this. Catch you next time, future ballers. Peace.